In just 48 hours, a new playbook has emerged in the next phase of the US-China AI war. What comes next in this tech feud could define the coming decade in the ties between both the countries. On Monday this week, American President Donald Trump allowed the sale of NVIDIA's advanced AI chip H200 to China. But this move by the US comes with stringent conditions and a 25% revenue share. He said there was less security risk because Huawei Technologies already provides AI systems with similar capabilities. For NVIDIA, it is a welcome decision and a step towards expanding itself. But is Beijing willing to buy NVIDIA chips? Well, Beijing's new framework states that every H200 buyer must demonstrate that Chinese chips are incapable of performing the task. This is not a tariff, but a permission slip regime. Last fiscal, NVIDIA earned $12 billion from China, but that revenue is now gated behind bureaucratic approval designed to fail. China is now using a similar playbook as it did when H20 chip sales were rejected by American administration. Since then, those chips have generated zero sales despite months of being available for Chinese buyers. While Donald Trump has announced this decision, China might not be willing to give in. Here's how China has been reducing its reliance on America. Beijing has turned its dependence into a weapon against itself. With each approval that is denied by the US, Huawei gains momentum. Now, there are two possible outcomes which could define the next decade. Either Donald Trump revokes the approval and returns to containment, or American chips enter China through a bureaucratic maze meant to stifle sales, while Beijing creates the independent tech economy that Washington fears the most. While this tech war goes on, this is clearly an escalation from tariffs to administrative warfare. Despite Beijing's new play, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson said on Tuesday that the country has always advocated for mutual benefit and win-win outcomes.